Okay, so if you've been online lately, scrolling through social media, you've probably seen these ads popping up everywhere for something called the iTag Pro.
Oh yeah, they're hard to miss. They pitch it as this like revolutionary GPS tracker.
Yeah.
Find anything, anywhere.
Exactly. And the price tag, it's about $70 Australian, which, isn't exactly cheap for a small tracker.
Right. And that combination, the big promises and that price, that's really why we wanted to do this deep dive.
So our mission really was to take what the ads say, this real-time worldwide GPS thing, and, well, see if it holds up.
Yeah, we look at user reviews, stuff on Trustpilot, even what the company itself has apparently said, and you find the problem pretty fast.
You really do. The marketing paints this picture of, I don't know, magic long-range tracking.
Like spy movie tech.
Kinda, but then you look at what users are saying, and even what the company admitted to someone, it's just not GPS at all.
No, that's the core issue. It's not just a small exaggeration. It's fundamentally different technology. It's not GPS enabled. It's just a basic Bluetooth tracker.
Okay, let's break that down for you, the listener.
Yeah.
Because GPS versus Bluetooth, those are totally different things, right?
Absolutely worlds apart in terms of what they can do. GPS uses satellites, global network.
Right.
That's how you get real distance tracking, like across town or even further.
And Bluetooth.
Bluetooth is just short-range radio. Think maybe 30 feet-ish.
Yeah.
So, if you lost your keys at the grocery store and you're back home,
This iTag Pro is useless for that.
completely useless. It physically cannot do what the ads imply it does because it lacks the actual GPS hardware.
Which makes that $70 price point feel, well, pretty outrageous.
It really does. And that leads us to the business side of it, the economics. This is where it gets, quite interesting.
How so?
Well, we looked into it, and it seems like the exact same device, physically, is available on sites like Alibaba, wholesale sites.
For how much?
Get this, somewhere between like $3 and $7 US.
Wow, so $3 to $7 wholesale versus 70 Australian dollars retail.
Yep. That huge gap screams drop shipping.
Yeah.
Someone's advertising it heavily, you buy it for $70, and they just have the cheap version shipped straight from a wholesaler, pocketing, almost all of it.
That is a massive markup.
It's huge.
Yeah.
It just shows how powerful marketing perception can be, even if the tech itself is, well, pretty basic.
And they lean into that perception with pricing tricks too, right? Like the crossed out price.
Oh, absolutely. Classic tactic. The sources show it listed with this fake original price, like $129 or something.
Crossed out.
Right, crossed out, making the $70 seem like this incredible urgent deal you just have to grab. It's manufacturing value.
But the deception doesn't stop there, does it? What about the reviews and actual usability?
No, it goes further. If you look at the reviews on their own website, they often have those red flags. Perfect English, super generic praise.
Like best tracker ever, with no details.
Exactly. And often no verified purchase badge or anything like that. Feels very artificial.
And worse, apparently some people can't even get the thing to work.
Yeah, that's a big one. Multiple reports of people trying to set it up, scanning the QR code for the app, and it just says, item not found, or something similar. They can't even download the app needed to use the tracker they just paid $70 for.
So you pay a premium for what's actually cheap tech, marketed deceptively, and it might not even function.
Pretty much sums it up. Limited tech, maybe non-functional tech, sold at a huge markup.
Okay, so let's bring this all together. What's the takeaway from this deep dive?
Well, it seems pretty clear. The iTag Pro looks like a very basic, cheap Bluetooth tracker, probably costing just a few bucks to make.
But it's dressed up with fancy marketing language, misleading claims about GPS.
And those pricing games to make you think you're getting a deal on something high-tech, leading to, maybe a 2,000% markup.
So for you listening, if you're trying to get smart fast about spotting these things online,
this is a perfect case study. Look for those signals. The fake original price, the overly perfect but generic reviews, and especially technical claims that just don't add up, like selling Bluetooth as GPS.
those are huge red flags.
Huge. So here's something to think about. If this product uses those tactics, fake prices, maybe fake reviews, misleading tech specs, what other signals, maybe less obvious ones, can you start spotting to quickly judge if that next viral gadget ad you see is legit or just hype?